Hi, my name is Jacqueline Sisson, and I am located in Yukon, Oklahoma, and I am applying for QKids. A little about me. I have been teaching for 7 years. I've taught kindergarten, third grade, and now I actually work with a virtual school. So I teach all the way from pre-K through 12th grade. So I have a wide range of students there. My educational background is I have a bachelor's in elementary education, and then I recently received my master's degree in 2015 in reading education. So there's a little about me. All right, so we're going to get started with reading a book. And so today we are going to read one of my favorites, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. So this book is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and it's written by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archibald, and it's illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. A told B, and B told C, "I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree." "Wee," said D to EFG, "I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree." Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and Tagalong K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP. And QRS and TUV. Still more, W and XYZ. The whole alphabet up the, oh no! What happened? Chicka chicka, boom boom! Oh no, the whole alphabet's on the ground. That's not good. Skit scat scoodle doot, flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. See all the capital letters are with the lowercase letters? They're finding the lower. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D and stubbed toe E and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. And L is knotted like a tie. Uh-oh. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted alley-oop. Skit scat scoodle doop, flip flop flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed P, QRS, and loose-toothed T. Then UVW, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, XYZ, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. See the sun setting? But, chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. The moon big and bright in the sky. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, boom boom. And there you can see the whole alphabet, lowercase and capital letters together. So I hope you enjoyed the book, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. This is one of my favorites. And I hope you enjoyed my video. So thanks for watching.